Hi guys, let's discuss Panda today in Python. Okay, so to start that, I have made a CSV file like this. Okay, here we have the information about a flat. Okay, when you are going to buy a flat, what the things you look for? You look for the square feet, bedrooms, number of bedrooms, and then price. There are other information as well, but I have kept it very simple. Okay, so first, if you want to read this file, first you need to upload this. Okay, to upload a file in Google Colab, just click on this file icon and then go to the sample data. You can create your own folder as well and then upload it. But to keep it simple, I have taken this folder. Okay, and then click here, then click upload. Okay, select your file and click on upload. And it will be automatically uploaded. Okay, so after you upload this file, go to the coding area and import the panda. So this is the first step. Import pandas as PD or whatever, you can give it a different name as well. No issues with that. Import pandas as PD and then give it a name to the data set as DS and then read CSV PD dot read CSV. This is the function we have to use. Okay, and you need to copy the path. Okay, so to copy the path, go here and click on the copy path, then paste it. Okay, just close it, save the file. Okay, and now you are done with loading of importing of the pandas library. This is the first step. Second is to read the file, and third step is to print the file. Okay, what are the data is there? So just run this file. This is the data. Okay, this is the ID, this is the area in square feet, this is the bedroom, this is the price. Okay, guys. So if you want to remove this one, this data set is not clean. If you want to clean this, what you need to do? You need to do this. This is called cleaning. Okay, data cleaning. So what you need to do? You need to remove this unnecessary data. You need to do this ds dot and then drop now. Okay, this is the function you are going to use. And then this is I'm keeping it very simple the first time, so we can use this drop now. And then if you want to just execute this one. Okay, so this is what you get. Okay, this remove the whole row. You see the whole row has been removed. There are 6 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if you see the last data is here 1 1 1 0, this one, and before that 1020. So we'll see the data up to 1020, this one. Okay. So this function remove the null value. Okay. So after that, these are the very basic things in Panda. So first is to mm, load the library, means using import keyword, and then read the data, and then print it, and then removing the removing the null values. Okay, or you can say the rows which are having null values we have removed using this function. Okay, this is the one part of it. The next part, if you are given any assignment or any task like that, and you have been asked that select how many flats are there with bedroom 3. Okay, so there are only one. Okay, we can see that there are only one flat with the bedroom 3. But how will you do this? There may be more number of datas here. There may be 55,500, 1 lakh, whatever the data. So you are not going to count it using the CSV that, yeah, this one is having 3. So this would be my answer. Okay. So what will you do? You will simply do that using this data set ds dot, and then what will you do? Not ds dot, ds, and then give the name of the column, bedroom, and then you will count it. What will you do to count it? Dot value underscore counts. Okay, So just run this. So here you can see the flats having three bedrooms is only one. So the answer would be one. You can see directly here. So these I have kept these things very simple so that you can understand, and the latter video and the next video, whatever I will do, I will explain it further. Okay. So if you have any question, you can write it down. You can post it in the comment section. I will try to answer it. Thank you. Thank you for your time, guys.